This is Pygate, a Python interface and tooling for the Filecoin network. It's built with Powergate, gRPC, and Flask for the HackFS Hackathon. The Pygate project team has two goals. The first goal is to bring Powergate into the Python community. This is a February 2020 survey of over 65,000 developers, and Python is overwhelmingly in focus. Given these vast possibilities, our team reasoned that there would be an acute need for tooling which will expose Powergate and Filecoin to the enormous and influential Python developer community. Data science, machine learning, web applications, and many other innovative software tools rely on the flexibility and consistency of Python to help them solve problems for people around the world. Currently, there exist only JavaScript and Go libraries which are able to interact with Powergate to leverage these new opportunities for content utilization. Our second goal is to create tools upon which to build applications and experiences. Pygate provides these developers a set of tools to effectively build their next project, solving big problems on top of the Filecoin ecosystem. In order to achieve these goals, we created three products. The first is the Pygate gRPC interface, a Python library for Powergate. The second is the Pygate web app, a Flask reference client for Powergate and Filecoin. And the third is the Pygate API, a Flask asynchronous HTTP and WebSocket API for web applications. Building on the gRPC definitions provided by the Textile team, this library allows for Python to drop in support for Filecoin to any Python software. We're happy to be able to provide this to the community. It has near feature parity with the Powergate interface. It's actively powering the Pygate reference client. It has developer quick starts and several examples. And the best part is it's available on pip right now.
The Pygate gRPC package makes the endpoints of the Powergate API to the Filecoin network available as Python methods. These are being used in the Pygate web app to demonstrate basic Powergate functionality in a Python Flask application. Users can upload single files to the Filecoin network via the Powergate API. They can also upload batches of files. Or they can select a batch of files and choose to upload it as a tarball package. Users can search for already uploaded files and retrieve them from the network. All the deal negotiations handled in the background. Powergate uses the Filecoin file system concept. Users can add new FFSs and make them the default. They have the ability to change configuration settings and push them to already uploaded files using those configuration settings. Users can track wallet balances. A new one is created for each FFS. And they can also review a log of all Pygate web app transactions and error reports.
In addition, we'd love to discuss more about our learnings, feedback to the Protocol Labs and the Textile teams, our team, and the next steps for Pygate. Thank you.